Good morning, children. So today you will learn about the atmosphere. Okay. So what is atmosphere? It is the envelope of air surrounded the earth. Okay. So the earth is covered by the blanket of air that is known as atmosphere. Okay. This atmosphere, how it held there? That is because of the earth's gravity. Okay, the air is present in the atmosphere, that is because of the gravitational force. Okay, the earth's gravity only held this atmosphere there. So as we go up, the earth's gravitational force will become less, and the layer of the air also becomes thin. So as we go up, the concentration of the air becomes less. Okay. Now see how this atmosphere divided. That means it is divided actually into 5 layers. Okay, into 5 layers. This is our earth, right? Earth. So here on the this full up to here, this is the atmosphere. Okay. So here the first layer, that is the troposphere. Near to the earth's surface, that is the first layer. Okay. First layer. What is that first layer? Troposphere. Okay. Here in this troposphere, all the weather changes occurs. Okay. And then in the second layer, if you are seeing, that is the stratosphere. Okay. This is the second layer. That second layer is known as the stratosphere. Here in the stratosphere, you can see the aircrafts. They move here in the stratosphere. And not only that, the ozone layer. Okay. Ozone layer present here. This ozone layer, what is the function of the ozone layer? It actually protects us from the sun. From the sun, the harmful UV rays, that means the ultraviolet rays, comes here. So that will be absorbed in the ozone layer. So this ozone layer acts like an umbrella. Okay, it will acts like an umbrella. So by in this shield only, that UV rays fall from the sun. Okay, so when it reaches here, it actually reflect back. So reflect it back so that it cannot go inside. But nowadays, because of we people using more number of AC, fridge and this one, so from this the gas releasing, that is going and depleting this ozone layer. Ozone layer actually contains oxygen, 3 molecules. Okay, 3 molecules of oxygen. So the molecules of oxygen will be depleting, and the layer becomes thin. So if it thins means what happens? So easily the holes appear. So now what happens? The small holes are appear on this ozone layer. Because of that, the harmful radiations reaches into the earth. That is what then that actually causes many skin diseases, skin cancer. This all occurs because of this only. Okay, that ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. And then the third layer, that is the mesosphere. What it is? Mesosphere. Okay. So here in the stratosphere, you can see here the what else, aircrafts also move. Okay, and here in the mesosphere, it actually some of the wrong, that means small rocks particles are there. They are like this coming from the space. Okay, these rock particles, they are known as what? Meteoroids. Okay, what they are? Meteoroids. These when it reaches on the third layer, mesosphere, it burn out there only, crash and burn out there, so that it will not come down on the earth and harm the earth, okay, harm the earth surface. If it hits on the surface means there may be some holes or big craters forms. So from that the mesosphere helps, okay. So here only they burn out fully, it will not come down, okay. And then the fourth layer, that is the thermosphere, okay. Fourth layer is the thermosphere. So here actually many space shuttles, okay, space shuttles you can see here only in the thermosphere, okay. That our Kalpana Chawla, she also went there na, so that used that space shuttle only, okay. They used to move on the thermosphere. Here it you can see that it moves around, okay. And here that thermosphere, and the last layer, that is the fifth layer, the outermost layer, that is known as the exosphere, okay. So here in the exosphere actually the air become thin, you can see the thin air. So then this is the outermost part of the earth's atmosphere, okay. And that it is, after that it is, what will be there, that it will be the space, okay. So here from the exosphere to up it is the space. So understood what are the different layers of the atmosphere? The nearest to the earth, that is the first level, okay, that is the troposphere. And the outermost layer, this is the innermost layer of the atmosphere, and the outermost layer of the atmosphere is exosphere, okay. Understood? Now children, what are the uses of atmosphere? Atmosphere actually, the first use, if you are saying, it protects us from the harmful UV rays, harmful radiations, it protects us because of this stratosphere is there. And then the large, that means the small big rock particles, they are the meteoroids. These meteoroids actually move into the space only, but when if it is hits any place, then there will be holes appears, or hollows, or the big craters forms. So from, but because of the mesosphere, it is burn out there only, so it will not allow that to reach on the earth. So it is protecting us from meteoroids, okay. And then if we are saying that what else we can say, that atmosphere, it actually, another one is harmful, that means sunlight. If there is more sunlight, directly it reaches on the earth, then earth becomes too hot, then we cannot live. Because of this air only, the air, it is actually the insulators also, it means it will not allow the heat to pass through, right. So because of these different layers of the air, the heat of the sun becomes reduced, and it will not allow the earth to become too hot. So these are the uses of also atmosphere, okay children. So now you read the chapter thoroughly, and any doubt you are having, ask me. Till that, take care children.